Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope so you all are fine. In our today's videos, we are going to talk about a new topic, a new and interesting discussion. We are going to health. Today the topic of our discussion is what is REE. In our nutrition field, in our medical field, we might talk about REE, but most people don't know the abbreviation, the exact meaning, the exact purpose, and the exact pronunciation of REE. REE basically stands for resting energy expenditure. The energy we expand in our resting state is REE. If we are going to write directly REE, would might get no results in our Google, so we have to write the exact words of REE, the which might be resting energy expenditure. Resting. Now we are going to see what is resting energy expenditure. Resting metabolic rate is whole body mammal metabolism during a time period of strict and steady resting conditions that are defined by a combination of assumptions of physiological homeostasis and biological equilibrium. What is normal resting energy expenditure? Resting energy expenditure represents 60 to 70% of total energy expenditure. TEE stands for total energy expenditure, and resting energy expenditure represents 60 to 70% of total energy expenditure. Energy intake and physical activity should be assessed, and high quality diets offered to minimize metabolic abnormalities. What does resting energy means? Resting energy, on the other hand, are the calories you burn just by being alive. These calories are tailed during periods of inactivity, sitting in the car, lying in the bed, plopped in the front of a computer. All these motionless activities count towards your overall resting energy. What is resting energy expenditure exactly is? This is the main topic or main discussion of our today's video. Resting energy expenditure, the amount of calories needed to maintain basic body systems and body temperatures at rest. The main fact, the main point, the main thing, the main word of resting energy expenditure is rest. The energy we might burn, we might use, we might need it to maintain our body function is rest. Is at rest. Activity energy expenditure, the amount of calories used during activity. What does energy expenditure mean? Energy expenditure is the sum of basal metabolic rate, the amount of energy expended while at complete rest, the thermic effect of food, and the energy expended in physical activity. We have discussed much about these. We are going to see the exact equations of resting energy expenditure by different authors. You can see here, you can see in this picture, different authors give different equations to calculate resting energy expenditure. First one, and the most commonly used and the most important formula, is given by the scientist Harris Benedict in 1919. This is different both for male and female. Same goes, we have different categories, different equations. Here you can see Harris Benedict gives both equations for male and female. Further, you can see WHO and FAO and UN give different formulas. On Google you can find all type of formulas given by all scientists, all authors you might use, but the most important and the most commonly used one is the formula given by Harris Benedict. Hope so you like my video. Inshallah we will meet soon. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.